During crunch time, malalaman mo if a company really values their employees. I'll give you a concrete example because I know this happened to us. The company wasn't doing very well, and we as part of management pataas would need to make a decision to give the limited amount of merit increase for that particular performance year to supervisors and below. That's by design. We've agreed to do that. Anong ibig sabihin nun? It's important kasi nasa laylayan nga sila, staff nga sila eh. So sila yung nasa laylayan ng organization. So the more that you're able to share that limited amount sa kanila, the more na mas kakayanin pa nilang itawid yung buhay nila. That is an organization that you know when they speak people first, then that is really people first. Iyon yung sinasabi kong during crunch time, dun mo kasi malalaman ano ba talaga yung nature ng organization.